In this video, I will show you how to image search and how you can buy from China with Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, a very easy guide, step-by-step tutorial. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Pinduoduo. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688 Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to image search, buy and ship from China with Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Okay, so the very first thing I'm going to do is to make sure I head over to my Pinduoduo shopping app right here. So I'm going to click on here to open my Pinduoduo shopping app. Alright, so the next thing to do is to image search the item. So for me to use image search for the item, I have to make sure I click on this icon right here. Then I will select the product picture. One. So this is the item right here. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on this one right here. Then I need to add this item to cart. So for me to add the item to cart, I have to make sure I click on here. Then having added the item to cart, next thing I'm going to do is to exit from the image search right here. Now the next thing I need to do is to go to my profile. So I'm going to click on here to access my profile. Then to fill my cart, I have to make sure I click on here. Then the item is going to be found right here. So for me to make a purchase of this item, I need to make sure I click on here. Then having selected the item, I make sure I click on here to proceed to checkout. Then from preview right here, I can simply scroll down and check the details about the item. So you can see we still maintain the same information and the same product picture. At this point here, you need to make sure that your Alipay is checked, because Alipay is the best means of payment on Pinduoduo shopping app. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Then at this point here, I need to enter my payment password. Payment done successful, as you can see right here. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on done at the top right here. Then at this point here, I need to click on this bump up here to close this window. Then I have to go back to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the item is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So you can see the items right here, and the item is going to be shipped in just less than 24 hours. So this is how to image search and buy and ship from China with Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about China importation business. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688 Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.